Alright guys, so let's talk about BONK Coin here today and Pepe Coin, guys. Now we're gonna talk about Pepe Coin and BONK Coin in today's video, guys, as well as some recent new meme coins like Pepe Fork and what's going on here in the meme coin verse, guys. So with no further ado, let's get into it. Sit back and relax and welcome back to another video. So as you can see here, BONK Coin is still holding above that 97 or let's say 10 level. Now again, bouncing off that 97 level is still holding it pretty well, as you can see, but we can still see right now, guys, that it's still struggling to break out. Not so much power now is there behind that breakout. We need to see more volume coming. We need to see some strength. As you can see now, the volume is pretty much dead on that BONK Coin, and not only BONK Coin but most of the altcoins right now, as Bitcoin right now is kind of worrying the market. Not so much people right now are euphoric and hyped up about the crypto space and looking into higher risk assets like BONK Coin and meme coins and stuff like that. But we can see now, nonetheless, now BONK Coin finally kind of signaling to us where the bottom might be right now with BONK Coin. So we can see that 97 level or the 10 level is kind of supporting right now the price action, and it's been doing so right now, guys, for 62 days. And I told you guys, now if you've been following the channel, I told you guys since that high it's gonna take some time, and it's gonna just keep going like that for a while. It can take some time. So here are the times where the believers, the long-term holders, get tested and the beliefs behind their investments get challenged, and usually here is where people kind of lose faith and move on to the next big shiny crypto or meme coin as they become impatient, as they want to make even more money, as they lose money from these kind of choppy conditions, looking into the next one and again falling into the same trap. Unfortunately, that's how the way it goes right now. But nonetheless, now for those of you still holding BONK Coin, this is a good news to see BONK Coin doing this, which is pretty good. Now recently we've seen it as well bouncing because of that Bitcoin bounce as well. Now Bitcoin today is above 44k 700, and it looks like it's headed for another high, another new high, and it could be possible. Now we still need to clear above 45k. We need Bitcoin to clear above that 45k, and then can be talking business. We need Bitcoin to close a daily candle above that, and we can see it right now here, guys. Now this line shows where BONK Coin rally topped, and we can see right now, guys, since then Bitcoin as well is just going sideways, nothing much happening. But today we're looking at it trying to break above that 45k, which you can see this red line is being a strong resistance for Bitcoin right now, and yesterday closing a nice green candle, and now it's going again for it. Now we'll see how Bitcoin is gonna perform. This is gonna immensely help BONK Coin to break out. So this is what we will want to be looking at right now so far on BONK Coin. Now the good news is that we're still holding, or we're looking at BONK Coin holding that support. And for those that are wondering, if we do see a breakdown, if it breaks below, where could we be looking? Now guys, we could still see it go at that level here, or go around that 50 level, 57, 58, which could be a quick drop. But so far here, guys, BONK Coin is still holding strong, so I don't think this is gonna be something to be looking forward to see happening. And what I do think could happen, in my opinion, is that we are just gonna keep going around here, around these levels for a while. Now if you've seen some previous videos, guys, I made about the meme coin cycles, guys. Now meme coin cycles, they tend to happen during these bullish phases, and they do stay, or we do see it happening every 150 days or 200 days, up to 200 days, where we see the next Pepe coin, the next BONK, the next Shiba, the next Doge, and usually it takes some time. So another 150 days or another 200 days will take us right around that June, May kind of summer this year, where we're gonna see the next meme coin season, which means that's where we can really expect a major run from BONK, which I do think is possible to happen. Now it goes without saying that BONK Coin is listed on major exchanges, and the retail and the non-coiners and normies haven't yet joined the crypto space, and those people are the people that are gonna pump most of these coins. So far they are not here today. They're still enjoying their life, doing whatever they are doing, and not looking into the crypto space. So as soon as they come in, we're gonna see the next meme coin season, meme coins rallying again, and the party will begin again. Now, if we do see any short-term rallies on BONK Coin now going into this week or next week, if Bitcoin manages to break above that 45k, now we could still target these prices or these previous highs on BONK Coin that around that 17, 18. This still could be possible on BONK Coin on the short term to see this happening. If we see a nice breakout with some good volume, we can see it rising here. This could be pretty much on the table, this 18 to 17 level on BONK Coin. And that's about it here, guys, on BONK Coin. And when it comes to Pepe Coin, guys, now I haven't done much updates on Pepe Coin as it's just been going sideways as well. And I've told you I had some concerns about these double top playing out on Pepe Coin, and it seems like it is happening now with the recent fall that we've seen, especially with the founders of Pepe Fork or Pork who are following Pepe Coin, but Pepe Coin shrugs it as a champ. And we're looking at Pepe Fork right now losing ground, dropping, now standing at $158 million on its market cap, which now it's almost a 50% drop on its market cap since it got to its high or to its own high. And we're seeing Pepe Coin now rallying off the lows. Now this price here, this 84.85, has been my target. Now it hasn't been hit, but I still have some orders here for Pepe Coin as this was the target from these double tops. As I told you guys, I'm concerned this could be playing out, and as previously I accumulated some Pepe Coin here, and if it does come back to that 84, I'm gonna get even more here, or if it comes back here, as I do believe Pepe Coin would still see some major runs in the future as it is still holding now. So far this bull market that we are seeing, or they're witnessing, that run we see on Bitcoin here, Pepe Coin has just sustained its place as a top meme coin since then, and I do think it's still positioned to gain some major momentum in the bull market. Now it's still standing at $400 million market cap. Now I remember someone was asking me on Discord back in the days when Pepe Coin was strong, was at a high market cap. Someone was asking me if Pepe Coin can drop to the $200 million market cap. That would be a good place to get into Pepe Coin. Now we'll see if that's gonna happen. It possibly can if we go towards these levels. Now if we see it around here, this possibly mean Pepe Coin is around $200 million market cap, which in my opinion would be a fair price to get into some Pepe Coin for the bull market. Now we know it's listed on major exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and all that, and it could get listed on Coinbase if it keeps going like that. Now the team sold off or whatever they are doing, but so far, as long as it is listed on Binance and major exchanges, I do think it's gonna benefit immensely from that bull market. Now I'm still waiting for that 84. So far we could never see it. It's got just bounced from here, as you can see, guys. This yellow line here, this point of control now is providing some support on that Pepe Coin, and this could be it, that dip. Now we can see here this level was a support here, a resistance here, a support here, and now we are at it again, which is a support again, and we could see it rallying. But I would love to see it around that 84 just to fill up more some Pepe Coin more, as I got into the dip, sold 50% here, and now I'm gonna get back my 50%. Wait for that pump to happen on Pepe Coin for the bull market. So that's about it here, guys, on this video. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comment section. You can join my Discord. I would love to hear your opinion as well. Link in the description is free to join. And if you want to copy my trades, follow my trades as I trade daily Bitcoin and ETH, you can check out FairDesk. I'll leave you the link in the comment section or on the description. You get as well a bonus on your deposit by joining that exchange. You can trade derivatives, and you get a VIP 5. It will become a VIP 5 by using that link. Anyways, guys, I want to thank you so much for your support, for hanging around here today, and we'll see you on the next video. And as usual, nothing is financial advice. This is my humble opinion. Cheers.